Hello everyone. Are you a small business owner looking to take your business to the next level? Well, you have come to the right place. My name is Emmanuel Anekeya Sitati, and I am the founder of Connect Entreprise, a business consultancy firm that specializes in creating a healthy business environment and broadening our clients' entrepreneurial skills. At Quick Connect Enterprise, we understand that running a business can be very challenging. That's why we are dedicated to helping our clients make their businesses more productive by providing a range of services, including thorough background checks, business analysis, operations management, leadership structures and organization, employee mentorship, and broadening our clients' entrepreneurial skills. We believe that a healthy business environment starts with understanding your business, your customers, and your competition. That's why our team of experts conducts a thorough analysis of your business to identify areas of improvement. We then work with you to develop a plan of action that addresses those areas and helps you achieve your business goals. Our background checks will ensure that you are dealing with credible and reliable partners and clients to avoid any potential fraud. Our operations management services will help you streamline your processes and improve efficiency, saving your time, energy, and money. Our leadership structures and employee mentorship programs will help you develop a strong and motivated team, which is essential for any business. We also believe that through broadening of our clients' entrepreneurial skills, innovation will be part of their successful stories. We then believe every business is unique, and that's why we tailor our services to meet the specific needs of each client. And our services are also very flexible enough to provide both remote and on-site services. We are also very passionate about helping our clients succeed, and we will work with you every step of the way to ensure that you achieve your business goals. Therefore, don't hesitate to contact us today to schedule a consultative meeting, and let us help you create a healthy business environment and broaden your entrepreneurial skills for the business to become more productive. We again thank you for your time, and please don't forget that the future only belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that next time you become the first person to get a glimpse of our video. Bye.